not want to know how hard it was to get my Destroyer 4 Lego interceptor all deployed. But now it's intercepting an actual rainstorm, I guess. It'll go to downpouring probably soon. And I'm in my pajamas to stay warm because I'm outside. Sadly, I'm not going inside. So yeah, this is just an intercepting video that's actually like 15 minutes long. I wish I had my Switch out so I could play music, like hard tech type stuff. That little speck over there, the colorful speck, is my interceptor. I have the camera zoomed so you can see it. I'll go further in, okay, so that you can see it better. So yeah, this is a good look at him, but like at the start of intercepting. Be prepared for him looking different later. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go back into my shelter area, I guess. So yeah, this is kind of like that cosplay party thingy that's not actually a party, it's all acting and stuff. So yeah, near that spring thing on my trampoline over there is what it is. So yeah, it's raining pretty hard right now. I'm pretty wet from what I did. And so yeah, I'm staying in my shelter area where no rain is getting into. I mean, some rain is, but that's because I'm underneath a safer type of area. Hey, the clouds are clearing up a little. A tornado-ish look over there. Although it's not a real tornado, I know. It looks kind of like a tornado up in the sky. Don't know if you guys can see it.